This might be one of my longest rants, but please hear me out. Possibly boiling hot take. If you ever tell me you support that something problematic, expect me to belittle you over it. If you support it because of trauma, that's a different matter. I'm talking about the people who support ICE homophobia, Trump, transphobia, etc. But let people have their own opinion. Buddy, their opinion is straight up hating on a harmless community. ICE is a horrible thing, and so is Trump. I can't believe people actually support his horrible ass. Back on the topic about homophobia. I don't care if it's your opinion, I'm still going to belittle you about it. Is it that fucking hard to support other people? Also respect but not support is also homophobic, but that's for another rant. Okay, that's it. Please don't throw tomatoes at me. Bye.